Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a bootable disk of Windows 10. For that, I will use a free software that's name is Rufus, and you need a at least 8 GB USB disk. And after that, you need to connect on your PC. And after connecting to your PC, it will automatically detect here, and then under boot selection, click on this one select button and choose Windows 10 ISO file. Then click on OK. Here you need to select partition scheme. If you don't know which partition scheme uses your Windows, then click on this one start button. Here type disk management. Then click on create and format hard disk partitions. Here right click on the SSD or hard disk and select properties option, then switch to volumes. Here you will see if your Windows uses GPT or MBR. In my case it is using GPT, so here I will select partition scheme as GPT, and you can leave this one default as it is, and if you want you can change volume level. For my case, I name it as Windows 10 so I can recognize it later stage that for what this USB disk is. After selecting these details, leave all other details by default and then click on this one start button. Here you can check this one option, create a local account with username, and you can set the username whatever you want. And if you want to disable data collection for privacy reasons, then you need to select this one option, disable data collection, skip privacy questions, and finally click on this one OK button. Then you will see a warning message that all the data on this disk will be erased. So if you have already took the backup of your important data, then you can click on this one OK button. If you have not yet backed up your USB disk, then backup first and then click on this one OK button. And now Windows will start formatting your disk, and after that it will start copying the required files to make Windows 10 bootable USB disk. It will take a lot of time depending on your PC speed, so I will close it here because there is no further steps left. Finally, after once it reaches up to 100%, you need to close the Rufus software, and after that eject your disk from PC and boot to your PC with this one disk, and you can easily and quickly install Windows 10 on your PC. Thank you for watching this video.